no more. I'm a novel. I'm a novel, but you. If you smoke that see me with fruit.
Yeah, you know.
I just got it.
Chacha matie phone you know. Sa video ya be here. Me the yama me crow for. Breakfast for. Me who be wo online. Many anjeme. Enti Abraham make say be say mo eti edum kakra. Ehia me. It's very important to me. And you remember Nya Brepa. It's about 3 p.m. It's about 3 p.m. US time. It's going to be 7 p.m. Ghana time. Breakfast for and I'm here saying you we are home. And to know, Mr. Unya saw video way. But you're willing breakfast to be a send if I'm on. Me, I'm a crew for a middle of my bobra, a coin in my corner. Mr. The one answer with the deep side video way. Ever send me Opia, Ofi breakfast, or I our work coming, may raho na Onipa person be can once no, but put the day in some few minutes. The end na home ma, Nema basa, and cost was our consume. And Yama be a cost was our chronomu ama, and your how any would just some at a see what Obunibeka said tyranny and Abba to Miss Long Timmerman.
I see an unbeliever going the halfway tree, and he said they've got your prisoners free. He set them free. Something now go at you. Think ganja no more. I'm a now at you. The private send me now go at you. Think ganja no more. I'm a novel at you. This gas plate back here. See me with surround. I just got it from a priest, sir. And there's a little bit of brown sesame. I just got it from a minister. I said, man, now go at you. Think I'm no more. I'm a novel at you. Too many work to do. I said, man, now go at you. Think I'm no more. I'm a novel at you. It's alright. I said, man, now go at you. Think I'm no more.
That praise will probably the same. I hope so. Here. May the message in them. Mr. Unya video here, but more than answer, Uber send this video way, and my breakus ni biara. Unim no breakus ni biara, unim ni biano. Sa video way me yama be chrome for breakus for. Na enema bi because we break so a enye nyama papa a was ye twesa nyama ni na to twene emra so sa kro no mu edwo emra so se Ghana edwo na ya bre Ghana fo eni so asuban with this sem no ya bre what I say ya bre it's about time I was saying maybe why you die we need to stop certain things I was saying die sa nyama no we need to stop obi kura onu nya sam kura no wo be so twisika won so ana wo so twitwo won so sa nyama na wo say jai it need to stop. I want to show you a video. I will show you a video. And then one kasano who video na and nobody be catch us say I was say started any adwini we are tired of impanyfo no a wo mu nim say I was say wo musu be any break any super boni na ekoso wo ye man ni no it needs to stop. It needs to stop. Say Ghana, I was here many bring sorry na so the youth must come out and be strong. Or pay be obedience who be push him out to the jail. My police is so we are tired of this nonsense. Yeah, bre. Oh, who do young could be near? Who do young could be at Adia? Who Nadia? Who was Adena? Who no? Ebehano, Ebe Prano. And I say you're not thinking about the repercussions of what you're doing. It's too bad. I will say if me break, then you maybe free. We are tired. We are tired. I'll bring the original video out so that you people see exactly what happened. But let me tell you what here. Mebao say wunu wunia ewo ho say wunu wunia ewo ho na say ohawo ne atiti bi wo ho a mesre wo de wo so yenso so twiti wo nua so de wo se wo yenso twiti wo nua so efo America nyame nhira wo mete won ka che ewie me buafu pa na mbese me di video bi kire na se me di video no kire a na later no mo ankasa munhu nyema ye mpanyifo no eye wo Ghana mpanyifo a wo kura positions e wo Ghana a wo se Ghana na wo no wo di panyin ndi se hu ade bia wo ye bia no wo bedwin wo ahwe se ade na meye no ebe boa me ana emwa hwade wo de kadio enti no utumi tu nua tuo ma yeye sa hwe hwade wo de kadio enti no utumi tu nua tuo ma yeye sa hwe utumi tu nua tuo wangasa wo nua ene akire wo nua blood this is blood. Look at blood on the floor. Look at it. Look at it. I don't care which fashion you belong. I don't care which fashion you belong. Somebody didn't pay you for nechi. Not paying you on the right thing. So who didn't nechi? Who pay your bonnet? I didn't know your name, and now wouldn't the China wouldn't say Sky Crabma wouldn't know. Who bet in the chick? No, I didn't know your name, and now won't catch us idea a Jawi and yeah, you're wrong. Listen to me. To see any and young could have you. What I say, young could have you. Speak the truth, not on your own share. Can you correct? No, young couple wants own share. Maybe papa, and then mammy, or yeah, dear, and yeah. I'm telling you, men na say na me fan ka say me ma me na me papa ntino men ka hwe meka mbapa owo me obedi na say akire. I don't play around. Wo anko say wo nua ofiu ye brekusu aden da ben
Batomba. Wasa wa to bitio.
Kusu aden da ben what bo unu to and say wako wiya wade na say watweto wo so it's not in self defense and yes self defense unia this is not self defense she unia wan ka say unia how do you behave like this brekusu emrebe twemko with this some na koso ahinsam the two way the way it's not so I say in agreement obi ni one no be agree kono mo che enan ene akire what I say kono mo che enan ene akire we wo ha we wo echi we wo him echi masa say ene bio say ene bie. Anybody who will misbehave, anybody who will shoot, pick a gun in Brekusu must be arrested. You cannot pull a gun on anybody. Nobody has the right to take another person's life. Nobody has the right to take another person's life. Nobody. And I mean it. Nobody has the right to take another person's life or to put another person into misery. Why? Why? It's been too long. It's been too long. Nanado, I'm surprised at you. And can we mini papa? I'm surprised at you, and I'm not worried about mentioning your name. What I say? And they say, Kunuma Chukakra, Makurumunyo. Mama Krono Nian Quayanim, Yan Putu, Shabrekusu Quine, and Yan up to now, Brekusu Quine, and Yan Brekusu Quine, up to now, then the place is still bad. Acquiring yet. I don't know the kind of water people are drinking over there. I don't know. There may be good water there, but I'm asking you people, into Brekusu for into Ayamo there. Ayamo de say, a Kuramutim, there is no community center. Bibi papa bi ni ho a Brekusu wa te say eni die ben no community center bibi ni ho ye ni mortuary ye ni hospital papa bi Brekusu ekwan wo so nye te say entokwaso wo kro ni mu enti say enne na kro mu adwo mma kro mu nyo mumma Brekusu kro no mu emu nyo Ghana mma Ghana nyo ekunkum na doso. We are tired. Nanado, I am disappointed in you. I am disappointed in you. So Bianca, me because me show him. It does not mean I don't respect you. I do respect you. Me buba, me ba Ghana, me hum, me ba Ghana, me be share what you are going. Me ba Ghana, me ba be share what you are going. Ba ho ba no ni ho. Me san to what is that ba ho bi e be share because you are paying. And a poor na bound to be baho ebe shell. Etinu se ene nana okran ene mu nyina moye baako mumma imputu mra kronimu imputu ahoho ene yeye ne saa enye omani obi ofi kromu a sabe oni ni fi enna eja baako ana se eja baako ana se na baako eden na ehwe etinu bibian kan utwi tuo no se otwinade wo so te de no ya wo enti edien pa ene kan na de na kan wo ma to be twi tuo e wo nua so e tuo. What touched you? Adeba na kan and yet I'm robbery issue. If there's something going on with Kurubu Krapa, it has been like that. It does not mean it has to continue. Ideas man, Ideas man, pa. Me bua for ideas, me bua for pa because me chrome, first time me chrome, baby me free, Brekusu, she baby o tu to no. Ni Aris no tu to no. I don't know. Ideas, me bua for I'm very angry because what to me interest out. So okay, fine. I all go be no aba no obedience hu a. And o tu no so a. On man tawachi say ayo hoho na bae and on mine ebe ha on mine and na do o twi to won so a and on mine nyina beta wachi me video attack wachi say why ade we dey wo nua say ja baako say na baako wo nua mu fi ye fun baako nua wo fi ye fun baako ete die na o ye wo ene wo fi na o ba attack wo aya bontini. So this is not self defense. Baby, I'll turn to away. Baby, I'll turn to away. And yet the Aris said, I'm going to soon your Brekusu. I'm going to find a car at the Akohe, Mampong. Eh? Nanado, that one idea. You are very wrong. You are very, very wrong, and I'm so disappointed in you. But I'm talking to the youth, sir. Eh? I'm talking to the youth now, sir. You from Brekusu, you from Munina, I'm sorry. Don't follow anybody. Mind your BAG. Don't support anybody. Mofa majini na mbomnya bako because emo yie de na mpanyifo de diakro. Etika Brekusu ka moti Brekusu. Ena ayi omoka ne say Brekusu mema ene ma na asase a ewo hoi ni amamu nyina kota prota enti misraka enyamu de. Enka enyamu de. Ebe kakra Brekusu eba be ya awowo kuro. Na no so enye yie Nantika wodi hini wo brekusu na brekusu eba be ya ho kro a na wo hini na wo bedi ne sai aya amanfo ene sorry o hini mo hini ekosoro. I'm so disappointed. Because you must rise up and fight against anybody that does these stupid things. Ya bremo. Kruwa yetimu emrante wo kronumu hwe masa obi obekasa brekusu from be man pedwuma no. Me I can attest to myself. me tra brekusu. Enti me nimbrekusu mema ne ma se no pedwuma. Oja se me nimse brekusu from mema ne ma wo pedwuma. Ado a obekwa kodo ko se wo be ni brekusu. Obeko pedwuma bedo obedua bro obese men are trying because boys are trying enti mpanyifo no edebe na mo ya ma youth no wo ba na wo nwe ne ho na wo nya japa wo ye ja wo nwe no ba ho a wo nya japa mo fititete mo de di agro saa mo di ye mo agro saa besi ne asase kona mbeto wa na mo nko moto no mo cha di what good is it in brekusu now simon tell me what good it is at the papa say the brekusu you bet to bring and say say brekusu for they will wait accept access university and they pa na wo brekusu say at this point we be point at them say yes brekusu ye wo community center ye wo hospital ye wo school papa ye wo say won't tell me nothing akwan na tutu egu ho no eda ho no akwan me free me ba tata me ba brekusu na me rakra ho enti mutu wono enti mutu me nya baako na mu nya revolution bi na mpayifo no sorry enko be so mko mutu me ya bremu na we are tired of you. I'm telling you, we are tired of you. If you can do this to your own brother, you want to say unia. One kasa unia. One kasa unia. Utu bi ya unia say mamoja esoni say.
Batomba.
Moja to be soni say. One kasa unia. I beg, manya de no obia. Wo se wo ya panini a wo ti brekusu a eni pedi wo che ni papa wasem na wo nua kwa na ba ni say na me unya ma ba me den me unya me a ba me den. Oh no, I'm tired. Me kai me bi atwam brekusu semsem abutru bi a ye bo me amri bi atwam abutru bi a ye bo me no masa because wasase masa sade we me remfi da. But only bibi, it is because of the peace that we need in brekusu. And the woman we are saying, I know every one of them. But only bibi, for the sake of peace. Asumjenti, menkao, minso umu, ahinsam, and ekoso. Na makwa sorry upon. Na menam form, na menam na me ba. Boys almost about 50 boys. 50 boys and over. Woman who cried that day and say, kind a poor and near end that was him and then won't come home. Now, boys, ever saw me more quiet. So, oh, poor me with brekusu. I see they didn't know me. Menka obia. What I say? But I never go to brekusu. No, this is not a time I'm best to be man. I'm come once. This is not a time I'm be man. Not come once. But I just say. Baby brekusu adwa koduno yesremu mumenka wa yesremu mumenka wa uno bi wasemu a take it to the police station or to the court obi ni wa owo to me so betwito oni nia hwe say eya obi na free abontia ba you have no right to pull a gun on somebody who need kwan. It's for protection, it's not for attacking people. Nene mo America ha de akade na gombe se mo America ha se ka mo wa mutiti America ha na do ka uti America ha henke ene tu a wo betwetwe wo mafo so de ene ka wo bekom so
I say? Because I had no Ethiopia baby, I will be makoto. Let me show you. Ethiopia baby, any gun you're looking for, ube makoto. Uno be any asem. Ebinie. Ethiopia baby, ube makoto. Who was can kwana wa license ni dia. Utu koto. Na krom ha. Se woni license a. Utu bi so tuo se de masobunu. Se woni license a. Utu bi so tuo mu sei. And call gun shop and go so to say that because by law no I just say who a license and sana you need to be sure say okay bakusuni she and then the two shots say be kunipa when I told bakwa na be 50 rounds a pie wait a two way $30,000 $30,000 a two way wait and when you look at this look at this and you know so what the problem had there and you be kunipa mumma law no nya juma let the law work in Ghana mumma law no nya juma. Just the fact say we are nana chachasabe obu ene obu ma won does not mean say we betumi sorry what to do e wo bua wo nua wo ni feedback e again e koso until again e koso what is happening blood testing people what is happening ya bring kusu ya breast am pay for no nema na mu ye no it's about time that you stop after you stop Ghana I'm telling you Sade mana mo yɛ se mo njaya wa wunia se mo amanso bi anamo wo how bi na bi koso a me expect say go be sorry police station and panyifo do that as was na panyin here give warnings now they talk our hole to kwani ho unya tu a be so bo wunia because esisi wo brekusu bebre esisi ya nche obi antum etumu say that's what it's going to be Monso mu ye na me be bompa ye ma brekusu boy say this is the time so wo soro mo mani bre mesra wo biara wo ye brekusu ni share this video share it to what say wo tiona say be na do ji na di kra na share the video say na do ji kra na me na do me bo na chi no say ye wo two man on the bonko set afro kra me say share the video. So be share man na share man no who say yes ma share ade what share the man what I say ya bremo officer policeman the newest policeman in town Kofi Parker Kofi Jiabo Parker congratulations that's the newest police in town Ghana ni awo tumi aye ne ho abedi police wa America ha na mi shira Ongusu fa unko wanimu ye hiam payifo ba bia wo mbetumi aboa yen aja say but you so 100% kasa metumi makwan just ring me na me no kasa because ya bre o masa ya bre sa suban no ya bre abubuabubo etututu bo ni eku obi no that odanren ba bi na kofa no ye hu akire kwan brekusu fo nipa wa ye onkanda Masa it's about time. Sa musim mudi asundua ba. Sa nyama we de. Ye ntwe mabreku, ye ntwe kra o. Ye ntwe. Ye ntwe kra. Onia. Baba na. Ye ntwe kra. Hey. Why do you cry? Then everybody. Aha. Are you done there, Brem? Champion.
Yeah, Tama, it's a Aboko.
But you like us free.
Oh, make us a free Jay-Z.
Jesse, hiya.
Yeah, make us a free Jay-Z. Asam Ketua.
I'm paying for what Yankasa, hold on, what
Easy. Yeah, Brekusu ho nankasa minim at the crash ho. I think say Ababe Albatross on a greater Accra and Kasankasa minim de ho. Minim say school na ba ho no when ama e ho lands no. Sa problem bi abehye wa e fa ni pekunkum especially when ensase sam ho. A serious issue. I don't know because and when on hearing a shoot to a branch na
There be when you're the main chief, Nankasa, where or a sub chief, a fenanado or a sub chief, on also war ne hold, also war in Nipa, a penasem.
Yeah.
Maybe question them a penasem. Now, maybe any papia, me pomu in asem, or he not the main chief Nankasa, a fenana okra Nankasa, or also super penasem. We do swatch or not up to now. But omu problems, no situations, hassles be in getting in your money, maybe a cook so what I say. Aha.
Yeah. Another problem, Brekusu and Ankasa minim, na me kota, nanka me kota asase bi ho na problem I mean nya wo ho. Sa kroki twa na ehye ho sa no. I'm like, it's a dear ban kwana e wo kro so a I don't know just say e ho de okopa bibi okra na say uni backing like Langard for the way mana, you can never get it. Brekusu one minimum the crash ho. And it's so serious. Minim say school na ba ho ni.
Unia we dey me tell no obesa kasa but we be sraw. Mia na me kromwa. Me na me kromwa. Bone na ko so de. E so me to be nkase obi pass asida maybe bia makona bia ma ma. It we dey. So pass asida yam go through the right channel. Near fam mouth.
And matter was say. So but I think so say Brekusu Krono. Omo di ehu bi was that area wa. O kope bibi wo ho kra ya. O say santo kwanto kwa we enya na.
Enya na.
Enipa kukum basa I'm like let it crook to we Brekusu. That's a minimum pa because me na mete kwa benya enti honu area de. Na me free adu krom. Enti mo se me ko village kra. Brekusu de ye be minia. The senior brother told me says here, we're sitting down ho cry. It's minimum no pa. I don't know, but Tanya way na ya can. So I don't know just because you crone a dumana and jobs na any one inti. Am I you to know? It's a big and ya be out of the day mom no ko this a recasem you. And be big to where be a new man any honor. And also can some of the problem because only pa not to na oni di obedi na say you command the diare so obedi wechi a obaba be di wechi.
That's right.
What do you say? This is the problem. It's like yeah you say you to no omo mani na ho. So all do you say Ghana more thing there like yeah omo ye say like enema be page but say sa enema we na kunkum ni ko ho a obi ba ho no tia oma. So that's because Brekusu ye baby and I be a part to be honest. As actually university na ba honiti. Ebema Brekusu be ya na all eyes on Brekusu. And now share who say we jina hona unya Accra view no.
Yeah.
Around this time say no. What than he so nice and serene to oh yes. What you na unya property na when you shaka. Aye so beautiful. But me tell you say the best him funi bi trimone adidi eja and you many be I am not command for the car I am here see too much because you net ho na empanifo ni bi e to krom ansase no ene ne ma na di so that e basa na youth na ni bebre
And
e basa na and na di division e be ba ye no. So I must say there's no unity or Brekusu and this niema a woody ne niema basa and youth ne so diafra because of you sadia we akoso ho no matter.
yeah.
Ayasa na ankwala na mo wom begu ho and sate na mo ton na mo panifo no mo di no. Young boy not to na growing up no so e be dey na nimre.
Me kwa no. Me busia me free mu no. Ebusia me free mu no. Ye friend otutu bangase. Ebusia me free mu no. Abakosam se say nana otiko so a otiso sisi ya. Ghana on an animal pebano. Yes, sir. A busia we no buy no benya sabano. Inti no nanka sabi. The busman nanka ye free no otutu bang. Inti the side to or say to two or say to two otutu bang otutu.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. There was good culture. But maybe problem is that and campaign for no better me who say ya pesa kroma for no et you be tina krom hana kroni ni cha. And yet this is how we're supposed to behave. But umia and konesa as you see kete a bro kete maji we asa my way say and I'm say but only baby the youth are very intelligent and very smart brekuso as I tell you person guys I work kromo brekuso kromo the way a moon nim adie no kakra be nim adie oh we have intellectuals in brekuso intellectual spa
and I think they stand the youth should come together. So almost back together. That is when they will be able to fight this. And Yamana across Ohana because Oma division in Bahwa Sabio Obi Papa no de Bahwa because of that or TB say you know it pushed them away because you are baby Masa a wife papa me call them Mr. Ujina also land you know now 20 chakra. And so beautiful.
Yes.
The ones who are as Assassin University in Bahoniti, Ama a one area no, Massa, a hot cake. So that and also business me buildings near the idea about Brikuswa. Massa, I said, I think that you to know some more near Daho. No more I am for no fight to not the proper thing must be done. So I bet boy you to our community when I think that to her dance. A year 2 to 20 we over crack on Ukraine. Now, your father saying, Obia Benjamin, no, how many police are you one? We boy, ya 22 ya we press. Now, on to me, justice simple, and go police station, and go baby, lady, BBC Koswa as a youth, no. Or just that next time, BB, yeah, also family nation is and call your partner. And I
they have me, only open their hammy. But me bomb pass police for Brekusuno, any better ho. They say, oh, he know what na okra. Or no one in the power, what transfer from that long time. But you said there was problem here and there going on. No person and all those things near Kokonoba. They say, I couldn't watch you kakra. And to where buy na mami bu food because I say I couldn't move Joe. Couldn't myself
sure.
Nipo to the
sure.
Nipo to the tour, and one in the
wow. Yeah.
On 1 year, one father or one mother.
Brekus one day, Bama, if you are the end, they say, they youth no education in your more. So I say, now, young conscientizing youth no. So I say, no more resisting, you may be a division, because Brekus you baby. So I'm to me united that. And pump 20 near me, the corner. A best surprise, what's the school now, assassin invest in a bahonity. And a lot of job opportunities are back. Who see there a hot cake, Ubenyan for mama bed them because good. So I there's so many opportunities. I was that area, meaning sa enclave pa. And it's a youth in Ankasano. Or bet me, I united. Normal fight any oppressors a UBA a bebo or makwemno. Normal timia je brekusu krona to. Nama ama the enough peace about my brother. And can we put tranka. Why do you think I'll go chroma now? Don't say so. Brekusu dear. So that any question will go chrome now be bo chroma and they could be ya do be able say oh I him for some oh Sanya man costume. Me sometimes I don't know where from what that and it is because Ghana your institutions no
and you
and yes and yeah politicians now be head into your institutions in your juma. Me Sanya man we no can be there. A cocoa top until say ye benya aban or beba bekasi police for ye jaomo ye police board media former IGPs near the again ye dioma gusu no ma fancy to say the hunu America hana and yes ye new sa level na sa dey maybe say this near justice to the system ubon na me youth ni so ama ani brabem people will be angered yeah, they are coming in part the NEF, to be all those who are free one family. Yeah, they are coming quite division by family name that we have to accept it. So they are saying, I think the program is saying, so Mutia, Omuntian ye, near Omum who say and Tokasem, and Fab and Koswama Brick.
That's right.
Brekusu ye baby a location ye good. So I say Brekusu baby a Brekusu one. Very good location here. Offer her. What besi kwa benya? O de fa ho wesi Accra. What I say? Eti baby a Brekusu. Oh, yeah, so fantastic. So I the land enclave there on fair. So I the papa. And it's so beautiful. And I want to say here, me phobia see down. I so serious. Look at the way of foreigners. I see a good Brekusu Nigerians here. Inside work Accra. Buildings on my building. Yes, because of Sai University there, but on this so many opportunities. I be say area on anything that I ne ko so I na ye hemfo no so yes rewo mo yes omo ye bibia omo nwen se omo ma eni omo nananom wo ho.
That's right.
Omo ye bibia they should think say ye yire ye ma ya wo ma wo ho a ye me anu ye nko ayefu. So that is the difference between the developed country and ye. I had say broni ye adwuma or ye ni ye. So I say
the future.
The future, what you say, he's not thinking now. So what you say, Uba America have police in here, Juma, or yeah, Juma, you said the bay or mind the Scania sign re-employment. No, be able to none the hours in the press. What in when you time for the family. So what you say, so ye leaders and your chiefs, no, if they don't begin to think this way, and yeah, your problem.
That's right.
So what you say, yes, say you to know. So I'm to message yeah, and to Quasembia, Bufusi, they should come down and we should handle this one very because Brekusu baby where be no money name me kese name me nkrani. So what say because you are partly to Eastern region and then Greater Accra. And Brekusu they say also much Ekufa ye kwan ya from Awosia de befa Pokuasia dem wa kosi Madina.
That's right. Me who say
Brekusu abie. So the Brekusu bia no. So I also business kwaso some market here what Pokuasi holiday banner. Brekusu bia.
That's right.
So I say so omo peace and privé. Not the way as a friend say development they should welcome it. No more fight it more beba ho. So I say
Daddy. Oh, he know what was
yeah. Okay.
Send a message, man. My boy. I said, also, also,
Take it to me.
With them,
yeah. Now, where do you say we tear? Now, where do you ma? And no, no, kasa. Who ye ye the crone, yes, the Jawan, ye the swell.
That's right.
So I say, ain't a man for the crone, yes, so so crone. And Tawatown, Dimetu, Macam, the man of cra, and Neddy. What you say? Oh man, no credit daddy wo. Oh man for the demand. And no na day, you know the peace and the togetherness because I am wait me cost wo hwa. And no na entrepreneur bia na bibi papa bakwa. Omo kono omo tia enye di mbone na yedi titiri kro. Enye di impact. Obi ba ho na say chrono peace unity. Oh, we mu de yesi omo ye oneness. What you say? And no na ma develop na ni position na wanya ne so. Police station ni wa on fight say bi baba land no monton ni nyina ani on twabi oh ha yema for hospital ni we and no say na ban na ba ho kra oh they should think na yes raw yo yes again shekan a brief for moto den shekan what they say ma leader na ye di wasi su na yes wo ye nyina ye ti na wo ye ohin na ye di nimdie ma wo no and sa se no ton bia yes raw ti baby a ye de be police station ti baby a de be o di aban ne fa my cra teto ho eno sa na aban ne ba no obeduru ho we say yes you are ready for development, you are ready for the community to take off. So nana it yes raw na entawanta we bia wo bia factions ni nyina for mo bra wo na ase na ni omo nkasa as a leader. So again, na ni omo nkasa na kro na ntimi tumpo because Brekusu there I dig my heart for the place because I mean baby a wo kan ntimi am tie ya na say Brekusu there eh baby a me na ho da bia me ni ho pa etinana yes ram na ntawanta we bia omo twa so na development na ye this what they say no Ghana no hwe me kro me otini ahensam nti bibia nkoso adwiragu so ade ase ahensɛm nti me krom bibia nkɔ so enti saa ahensɛm ne ba hɔ a ɛde development ɛkɔ down aban ne kora ɔntwa n'anim bɛtwa because aban ne ba bɛka bi a yɛbɛka sɛ odi wei akyi ɛho hia ɔmo ntwa so na yɛnhwɛ sɛ mpunctuo bɛba hɔ na nkwalaa ne nso youth no media me I'm a youth nti my emphasis is on the youth. They should come together. No more to identify problem. Then come together to solve the problem. Togetherness and you bet me I fight this cause. Baba, me that say.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, I just found them. I just come by it. Me papa, me brother, I just with you. And I remember which will be this video will be for them. Ideas well be a for that mom between the yes. Oh yeah, yes. So no, let's say I do maybe I say America baby at it. Yes, I fight we be normal fight here. I'm on do baby na share development and so as they say no technology aba na enya Ghana nkwa na show. They say Ghana baby a 20. Kasa bi say ye can enye so omunti dey listen. Omo fam aba dey hia na omo dey boom mine no. The ideas, meet you when I say.
Oh, you're a minister of
right, I'm meeting also.
Hakim, Obama, and ideas. But to argue to one, Miami Brappy, my big brother. Hakim. Aki Yefro. Akonoba. Hakim, good evening. Hakim, good evening. Say a year and a year is an. Mammy approve me cover by. Cover by. Me, I'm a big boss. Hey, oh, hit back up. Oh, you are going to
hello.
Yes, I'm out here.
I'm going to ground, but you went to Gaza.
Where they I'm you cry, how do you hear with you book out there? Gosso.
Yeah, but that's what about you? I said, oh, my, no, hold on. Obia shall see if you chrome say, as some jabber. I'm said, baby, I'm kind of visa. Thomas Makumasoka Cran said, Krubia police station anyone. Sana Mumrantian.
Hey, but where the baby, I quantity police station any not to know. Yam will be see police kapa my to your police.
Yes.
And what say, Yana Magic.
Yeah. There was one sorry because open and near Massa Cosso, a police station, police or back transfer and RCA station police Nibia. It sounds a chrono, a match immunity, a fakodiha, not a fan akudiha. Tiabasa police for no chief inspector's name, commander snap and number and omu nipa umber share.
That's right.
And son almost start to Majuma. The moment to me, your Majuma. So I never bet me a can of boom. Crona boom said the brother and I can. Go chronology, papa and my papa Koswa. Or here now to so that's a body. So this year, a 2 bar quarter of me say, young man says a 2 year you couldn't pay a best, do and I say, you couldn't pay a best at 20. Open some make us a really can see we say the SC. And now I'm ranting o crony no, or Munka was it. Pedifon no do much no. A deba said, Omobu, I'm an acamom rantium.
That's right.
I dear be also do dear Unyansa, a planning day, a Dutch. Sa panini ni hwa wo wagi so mfa so no so ma panini yusu na wo de wani mo nyam wo bia pre panini ti epushi ni ma ne kwa wo na wo ba no se kuro no ye ya utim anye yenso a utim So
Yeah.
the video we channel I was say mabunu nyina ka omo bom na omo tie de wo ka no na omo support kuro no ma omo support nipa titu bia okuro no ma omo hwe ne ma ebeboa ama kuro no be de ebetum pon adesa na omo kodi obi a ono no epe nsase ho sika bi ni adie ni ade sa nipa ne se bi owu ko anase se bi oni kuro no mu bi ma mo amutim be de
Mamobo.
mo ba mo yes nti no say omo nyina timi de omo adwene eto fom say de o kan pepe no mo hese kuro no betu be fa de ntima pa because so here brother na so ka so nkoko pass ase kwato e wo ho ne no obi akota asase a odi ka busa ansa na wako
That's right.
ene ba bia yes ene nipa bebere kura beto asase omo discan koma police ni na police ni mo ma hye uniform akoto because police
Why yes I ye.
untimi ne yes untimi ntwini ni ene wo hene so ntimi to asase ba koma police fo mienu so
Yes,
the strategy nkofo bebere eye no so nti no se de kuro na si agedin a meka se wani abere twa ho video no mrantie wo kuro no so mfanto makoma so no muntu anama wa beboa amakuro no so afa de ntima papa efra eye ya ho ana mufiri anye ya ho ana mufiri ade ba ko so mu no nyame nhira o ade o basi ade abani no ye do ase bebere so pa
Nyame nhira so so abomo be chi dom nyame nhira pa no peja na ya kese
o chi dom pa ya
Afro.
ye the platform ni nyina ebe support program no ama duro kira ma mukuro no so ba bi ya se bi ati
Nyame nhira so.
yo bro
Unya na mo mpacho mo men sorry brekusufo. Mo men so je na so. One person ba we kasa. Wo ha no besa wo kasa. Mesra obomode a beep me na me returning mouth. Why? Beep na me returning mouth. Na bra. Why? Beep na me returning mouth. Ehia me pa. Wo ha no besa wo baso a. Unya no mo men ka no kure. Let's be honest. Me there. Because I'm say wo so bedi no kure a. Di ne ko animu. Ade ye fita no kase ye fita de etuntum no make so so kase etuntum pepepe men dintro wow na sabi ade me hu no say ye papa no mpanyimfo na o madi ye kan na o budi o leaders now no they are not helping us one bit enti wo ho na say one pre ama wo ho a na wa brabo ayaye mobo na wa brabo ayaye mobo we dem srawo share mami why share mami pa no nyame nhira share mami why share mami na sabio yentumi ntina se na boni ete saa engusu nkoso na wunua whatever case may be police wo ho untumi mfa emra enhye wonkasa wonsam na wummodutuo ehwe na wummodutuo enti bebi a wo ball no yi bebi a boy no yi se ene me se na kuma na nka wo beso wo bo bebi a wo ball no yi na se na kuma na beso wo bo na do wanya de I'm telling you, so be and can't say what I'm going to tell you. Why you have not done well. You must find a way to cool this down. Why but I'm telling you straight fact. Why say Kodo Majua, Makodo Munju, because for Monsori na Muti Munkamutim na Munya Baku. Hey, Massa, a Juma Berekusu, I beg Wangasa. But say mama baku ya and si brekusu and can't phone say they need to calm down and respect your future. I'm telling you. Media we be can say me kwa ba brekusu papa krom me papa krom me ko himfa mesa ba brekusu e ho na mesa ba se sabi America na besa betina metuma tra America Krobia be pesa betraso bia betuma kotraso but me krom no me krom ni brekusu eti de brekusu nyu a wo papa te ho unwa no mote ho me auntie simpanyufo eti brekusu me uncles eti brekusu me busefo mu coach wo mu nyina mote brekusu this must stop ya bie jai ya twam wo me jai de ma na ye no. We must stop these things and keep on moving. Now, my message back up, my brekusu mrante ne maba wa de say. Monka mutimbom na de no kure no, monka say no kure. Ment na onka say sika akra ba ma wunti no, wonka no kure no. Dabi. Dachi ebe affect wankasa. Dachi ebe affect wo ankasa. What I say? enti me de make nyina ne say mo me ntena se na ye gina ye na so na ye mfa adwene ntachire wo papa kra na wo ye body na ka kire no sabi me papa so obeya de bia enya meka kire make say nim straight. That is what we say who can kura nyame so pobi kan kura ye say obi akora kura so ye tan no kan kura ne entan kan kura no ne entan after all what e dey say the coin ye dey biase ye dey coin unya wiase to me nyina nya sika nyina na say wo hworo kra then what enti sabio young boys aba brekusu na mo nsase na mo to blog na mo sibu da kra enkenye enka enye minyan mo ntikenye eba ne say na brekusu se mo na mo nan ye na mo nan o masisi no eno na se say boys be pray o mutim me na dan me sister dan there be asa wo be sibi na wo so to me do batenem na kasa wo so wa baby na wo anya bia so na ye ne so a ana wo ye bia so papa de so a now then what? Where is the family going? Brekusa never come and say, you need community center. We don't have a community center. But beer, you bet make us say, you movie beer, or beer bet make us movie ho. And I say, but beer, ye wo ha, because beer hanko ye na ye wo ha. Wo but beer, nkoda ebe ko ji omani wa, ye be obeji omani, obi be so any party. But beer obi ko ji nani. Wo I was a crowd to be nya futu obi. Na ye to be kokoye nim. Wo I was a crowd photo agasa. Oh, as a nation, I was a crowd photo. Every me trouble na nka mo ya sorry ya chairman from punch ya tijo musica as they releasing punch na mo. This time no, this is not supposed to be so. The Brekusu na to no, there should be some progressive alliance bia elbow Brekusu aye Brekusu. What I say? It me there. I'm not agreeing with anybody say obia betena se na boni ete sa akoso na matena se mahwe sa mamunya sa ade no rise up on your feet na nipa da wo ya da say wo papa wo chim wo kora na odi boni no a make sure say wo beka de kora tell say hey eja ade bi aye wanye ne yie men ta de tin ka say ni ntino anu ano no mesrawo mamu masade ni nsi Brekusu nana okran we dem srew me de chopa atumanim empanyfo mo Brekusu nyina me sremu de atwam me no bie ni asem Brekusu me no bie ni asem Brekusu ko sem Brekusu mputuo nana so obekai po a emre bi atwam be hia wakwan bia me ma light yese bia me to be fast boni hye betumi asem bona hye mu pa but ye ni panyi ntwe ye krom ye ni bani panyi ntwe na ye Ghana na ngasa kata no ye buye ho panyi ye wade anaso ye panyi ade a ye ka wo kwakwala no wo wora wo ye fort kra na ye beka so na ye fort enti ye ni panyi ntwe enti me no de akoto nyina me ma forget it what I say ma forget it badwe fu sina be ya kro no nyina be baako so ho empanyfo mo Brekusu nyina mo nka mutimbom oh ekwan yi asai enkosi da ben MPP ya to Brekusu MPP ya to up to now ya kwan nka ikufo ba so no me se kombe ya kwan kama o man ya up to now she the Brekusu kwan tie how far is it going na mo sorry na mo nya bibi ne mpelifo hu say ya brewo mo because one ya to ba musa up to now Brekusu still Debbie yentwe Brekusu mama mume ne ma mume nda de akwa de atwam tokwa si abowei yakawei yabowei tuo yayewei mume ntwe de nyina ntontwene na yemfa adwen baako enye dwuma Brekusu nkoso enti se say ye wo investors say investors ba sisi a ye be den ye be say the investors ba oh ye hira nyama wo krom ye hira school international schools Brekusu esenya asase allocations ye betumi see offices be betumi warehouse bi aba ni empedi pa from branom from be Brekusu na mema nya dwumanye na ya ma no so hu nto wo mo na mo na muti Brekusu na ma no kokwa benya ko fa mema Brekusu kwa benya no mo de Brekusu ma honfo omo sorry anoma omo fa ka kwa benya zutum kwa benya zutum aye kwa benya kwa na bema wo kwa benya kwa na bema wo mo menye wa na mo menye da mo menye de ye no It's about time I say Brekusu call him. There were tourist attraction with Brekusu. Which I say, good evening, Owusu. There were tourist attraction with Brekusu. Baby, you come for not to buy all in the night. A year or in your hour, Boadi wo you so back that way. Nina. Oh, brave if you cram on Kaimi, back when I say, brave if you didn't grab what the name. Is so by brave if you didn't grab. Nina. So, Nina. Moment that air, near Mabrekusu and Tnas and Ninja. Oh, Yenya Bibi or not always similar Brekusu because Abako Samo Brekusu. Abako Samo Brekusu. Mumen Dina Naso. Mumen Jan Naso. Naya to me at the Osea, near bread. We are tired. We are tired. Why? We are tired. Mr. Mo, Shamo be my mwate. Shamo be. Shamo be my why. Shamo be no never be shroud. Why? Brekusu mama. Any ma, moment sorry. Why? Sa tyranny, terrorism, the man I call so Brekusu. I will say tucha. It must stop. I will say jai. I will say jai. I will say tucha. I will say tucha. Moja shegu Brekusu no. A does to do. Krokiti way. A does to do. Diema Brekusu ene moja abusumu ene nyema amanfa kwogija behwe Brekusu ni nyina kan bio ena moja hwegu Brekusu ano enye moma yehwe yo na ye nantemu ye na yema Brekusu nyini na enkodanim ekwan yenye kwan ya enka nyema uto ade okwan nkura umre nya toma yetukwa na ekoma mpo ne ade abekokwa no na manfo eto munyema okwan ho ayi nyado nie kobi nie entrowa nie wenyina na okwan na woto fresh so ento yes e betena se ne dibone saa wo Brekusu dia I'm telling you emwaye it's not going to help us. Nanando, honestly, I'm telling you, and like I've said it before, I'm telling you, you didn't do well. Why didn't ye? It's a disgrace. A disgrace, pa. I'm telling you, it's a disgrace. Say what say to me, Banasa. It's a disgrace. A disgrace, pa. Say what say to me, Banasa. Say, Uber to me at Nase. Now one gets a wood near. Sebe, who near, say, your from Bako, who to be fought to a personal tunnel. Debbie, you didn't do well. I'm telling you, share the video. Share the video. Uni Brekusu ya famano. Namo sorinja monaso. Namo sorinja monaso. What I say? You hear development e Brekusu. You hear development pa e Brekusu. What I say? I never need Brekusu. A kriafo papa bi na e Brekusu. And so boninti ene wudi semti. Nema nkoso Brekusu. And never ne here. We need proper farming equipment. Ebi ni Brekusu. Ye chenye mana omu cheko baby omu cheko. Ebi mba Brekusu. Edebenti. We need proper equipment. Well, na da boa fa besa Brekusu. No mu to be planting yama ebe matika aba o man mu. Edebe me bisa o. Edebe se say kwa da Brekusu. Edebe se say pa da Brekusu. Edebe se say da Brekusu. A debate is say part of that Brekusu, a boy Brekusu, my Brekusu, and to me a Brekusu. No, there's nothing. What I say, okay, Brekusu, and Kami Huye, and Kami Huye, and Kosenya police for Brekusu. I was saying immigration for Brekusu, Miss Immigration there, bear Miasa and 9B over Brekusu, Miniminian Bia, or mere immigration officers, Ofori mo enuanom bi e immigration. I know that. And police for a serviceman. Oh, yeah, I'm talking about fire servicemen. Na dey nyina Brekusu. Na so to me who say yes, yeah, koso. Na say what to me am bia ankora anymore. Then how is the place going to be? Yeah, nyina yanim. And yes say anymore. Yo nipa Brekusu oguni made pa. They obi try there, you try there to ho and the mouse kaya na nipa right pa be share be him right to Brekusu. I say yes. What I say right papa bi o kasa so fine come on. You brofo, come on. I know boys. Mrante. What I say? It is animal with the young trick and fancy you. There be. Young trick. Mama young pay your man and co baby. That's who want to be and pay with the panko anymore. Or that's in all that already. That's you want to what over there. What are you going to eat? We need to understand. Molly, you're welcome. We need to understand that we have to definitely bring, how do you call it, prosperity to Brekusu. We need to bring prosperity. We need to bring prosperity. We need to bring prosperity. Honestly, even whether or not you insult me or not, Oluwa, Femi, I don't care when people insult me. But I'm just saying, we need to bring prosperity to Brekusu. Because Brekusu has been there for a long time. And it's about time that we mobilize ourselves and raise that country up. That little place, we need to bring it up. We need some great men coming out of that village. We need good people coming out of that place. We need to stop the shooting and the killing. It's not helping anybody. It's not going to help anybody. How can you just shoot? How can you shoot your own? How can you shoot your own? How do you call it? Brother. How is what is it that makes you want to do that? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look where the shot went. Right under the nerves, the head, the underarm. How? It also confirm boys. If he also goes to pick up boys and goes to get a gun and start firing at you, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Then it becomes a tribal war. Then it becomes tribal fighting. Then what happens? Then people will die. Then what happens? Then afterwards, you're going to cease fire. Huh? If you kill my family, I'll come after you. If you kill somebody else's family, they're going to come after you. So then what happens? Think out of the box, please. Let's think out of the box. Think out of the box. I am for a someone and say, I am ready to be able to grab. Oh, I am ready to be able to grab. Big imagine I was a yes, Batman. Must be a youth, must be a youth. Mr. Why? We are youth. Na chrono, young koya name. Think progressively. So when you are background on the chimney so crapona, say more do hard about the Fabuano. At the hot mouth. So be on no chimanzo, be one be also the manner. Again, as all the man now they have a path for Mano, no on to call him. I will no crap, but Mr. Obanie, Masa, ya koko bakra, esunaswa, ya kobasa die, esunaso. Eti Mr. Mumwa krono, na krono kodanim. Mr. Mumembumbaco, Yan can krono kodanim. Na dachi na, obeno betembo, na, obeno betembo, sebe. Ochinebi na na me frawa e den na be kan fa wachi enu ho aso na me kan ne wo ye eja na sesebe onwene wo ma ho a daati se wo ma nkoso a wo so wo nkoso me se wo de sika de se de wo hia sika me se sika de wo se wo hia sika I know you don't need a video. I know you don't need money. Molly, I was talking about something that happened in my village where I come from. My village, the village is called Brekusu. It's called Brekusu, and recently I saw a video concerning one of the sub-chiefs that shot his own brother. And I am just mad about that. That shouldn't happen. We need, progressive people to sit down and make that place, that little village, grow. A very beautiful village. A rocky mountain. Very fertile soil. Strong youth. Beautiful women that live in that village. But yet, the people in the village are struggling because they don't have money, there are no jobs, there are no progressive thinking of the elderly, the chiefs in the village to make the people grow. It's not happening. And I'm just mad about it that there's no way leaders should live in a town where people are going to take guns and just shoot people. Honestly, if you want to shoot anybody, it should be a visitor that is intruding and bringing evil. But this man just shot his own, brother, and he almost shot his heart. So there was a possibility. I don't know what happened, but honestly, it went to the hand. And even it's very dangerous to shoot somebody here. You see where the blood is flowing? It's flowing for the arteries over here. Esre, why? Brekusu, Esremu. We beg you so much. Ye bunko toje, ye bunko to na okran. Esremu. I am from the brain. Refio mudi. Abako sem hene, abako ma hene, any mpanyifo aka jase hene no mu, any mpanyifo emrefi batoya mon kai me why? Na yen dinkomo esremu. Why? Yen dinkomo. And you be brave, why a person Pia Bagana, Unia. You never be brave, why a person Pia Bagana. So, when you may say Pia Bagana, go for person, I see what Chroma, I thought I had never paid Newman to think it be pure water. This I am Yamano, but my own kind of home bomb, nine to be more chrono. So, say company for Muquano, say Yaquani ye. So, I say yes, Papa, Sabio may company for Manimo. I will say multiple toilets. I will chrome ho. So, any multiple bath places. Well, no baby, Sabe, you be try to was aha, a year qua. So, Mimi say a fear ye brekusu, Sabio, ye busa phony be wua. Baby, a ye jarry or mono, Sabi, me to be who said, a jarry or more, a dam, minim say jarry or more dam, a bill had a jarry or more dam, baby, a nipa daddy pate, a wha, and a Sabi, will be wua, and I'll be called a cemetery, a wha, the jarry in the war. Yes, it was hard and chronoa. Ned's baby crona. I did that was a baby chronoa. Debbie, I was a moment to me, a baby to a bit to a bob baby come. So, yes, you baby so, and yet as a pine, but you sit down, baby, I didn't put to come. Oh, be a bit Mrs. Sedijo. No tell me big a crack. So, not a lack of man foot room. So, I'm a channel. You free person who called Joe Mania near party be there by ya, to be called Joe now there, and your man for two. Now here, nice place. I bet you go say Penny be back, baby. I bet Ginatina. Oh, now what you met that not be at your baby. I so talk right and will be. So, but your Mr. Esremu, why? Esremu, I don't know. Sorry, Yamanas. Why? Muslim Jamna, so that's Anya say, dear. Yen trim my brekus boom. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Mama, you're progressive in the way we do our things. Mama, you're progressive, Mr. Remo. Why? You're Pamucho. We play with you. Now, Brekusi Babia, Sabi, Obinka is a very beautiful place. Very, very beautiful area. Very beautiful. Look, me papa fear honna me share Medina. You can see Medina. Lights in you know to be who Medina lights in you know. Uja people see baby. To be who Medina lights in you know. Aboko beat that area. To be who you know beautiful. The terrain is so beautiful. Come on. Yo abako se mo brekusu. Baby a conference ba be ye na 9 in fact, I'm trying. When I come to Ghana, I'm going to bring my camera and take that place. Now who say oh baby brekusu a bit my boy. Me am pejay na we dey ache tudo ache esre abi na who so about spy me on to say Klaro obi ahoye. Esremu. Why? Esremu. Esremu. But o wa hana so be so baso be ka bibia. Shromina me ma umra. Shromina me ma umra. O hana be so ba. If you are the pa, pom the same. It's very good. It's very, very, very good. Let's be progressive. Esremu. Esremu. Monka muhumbom. Monka muhumbom. Na yentumi mfa kuro no nkɔ nim. Why? Esre. Yeso obi bi ha ebese e de ba. Na yetumi de aba. E da be boa kuro no. That's all I'm asking. Vic, mpomo e. I hope so ho ye. Why? Esremu. Na Brekusu is a very beautiful place. And sase power ho a, u pasase papa ato a, u benya sase papa ato, e de aye wade pa bi. So yo mema ho mo pa adwuma, me ntumi ngu o mani mu ase da because Brekusu mi ami kro. Me gu obi ani mu ase a, mekwa be ho na akoto mi agasa mi ami nipa, mi amabusuani because Brekusu enyira ye baako. E ona na na mu apa mienu, apa miensa, apa na apa enum, na aba wo me. Enti no, wo hwe mu kom a ye nipa baako pe. Ene yete Brekusu. Nipa baako pe. Enti wudi safro atem a, wadi unua bi atem. Wudi na nawo kan atem a, wadi unua bi na papa bi na na bi atem. Wudi na na do atem a, wadi unua bi na wagya bi atem. Oh, nti enyina ye nipa baako pe. We are all one people. Enyina ye nipa baako. Ye to be told say we biom. Ya bre, we can't do it anymore. Enti be srew Brekusu for momma ye nyina nka ye hummom. Nye mboa Brekusu wate. Momma ye nyina ye nka ye hummom. Nye mboa Brekusu. Na Brekusu nso renja na naso. Na enum na ebenya inhyira e de afi. Wobekwa ukurom na beba. Wobekwa ukurom ekwa na obesamba. Mesre, why? Onyame nhyira mo. Onyame nhyira. Mesre share video yi mo obi ma me why? Share mo obi ma me. Na obi nya no hunu say ya dwiri Brekusu fo ho. Ya dwiri Brekusu fo ho. Enti say me kasa tie obi a mesre mo mfa nche me obuo enko na me de ma. I'm giving out lots of respect. Me tie obi na so a mesre mo mfa nche me. Na emom no nia wo se me ka na wo se me ka because baby a ekeka kono ebetum ne nyama bebree asisi ebe nyama bebree aba ama ha bebree asisi yem pesa nyama na Brekusu biom. We are not going to allow these things in Brekusu. Yem twimo bia Brekusu sa nyama no mun so Brekusu na Brekusu nkoso. If anything na mun contact me contact benefo bi ne hwe kwa be fa so a ye be bo Brekusu na sa nyama we die na police force o Brekusu so no metode mamo mun make sure say mun be di no kure by the law na mu yesua mu inu mu be di sa no kure no ama Brekusu aye Brekusu and mo say nya se bia wo ho ka di no kure make sure say wo di no kure e wo de wo ye bia Brekusu police for am na mo kasa no me Brekusu ni mo ho kwase bitimi ka Brekusu asem obi antumi stop me because Brekusu me do Brekusu pa me do Brekusu because me try Brekusu me yaka kete me try Brekusu omo mu ni me omo mu ni me enime uti ase omo mu ni me enime bebredi na me refi bebredi ma me we me refi no auntie rabbe refi bebredi ma me na oton dokunu yi refi ni din onu kwa be akola ko hwe me refi ni din emi ya pa sabi wakona nkraji but nenke the body me ohwe me uti ase bedentia ena me de mampanyifo Brekusu me antedu bia eni omo maka me papa sa from me nsira enyina e de bremu mu nyina mpanyifo na ukran eni omo mpanyifo wo mu jase hene ni omo maka nyina mesre mu me de enchia kese na me de mamu nyina na de me ka nyina na say yesre mu we need a unifier. We need somebody who is going to bring the country, the place, Brekusu na emu no. We need somebody that's going to bring the people together. Esremo. Sremo pa. Me pamucho me bunko to dwe. Pamucho. Sade we die yentwe. Yentwe. Die twa buko no. Umentwe munko. Die twa buko no. Mumentwe munko. Ni yenko yanim. Na we die enye kura. Why? Enye Sremo. Mumfa mrado ntu bebia mrano wo se eda. Mrano mumfa mrano entu bebia eda. Nobody should mess with the law. And this idea, masa, enko ye, unia, enko ye kra, enko ye mo bia obrekusu. Because kana won say, uye opeyibia, uye na ukrana, kayo, why ye ni unie, bu wanka unia because ye ebu se baako, ubehwe mu akobara, na baako. Na cancel baako. Ena apai. Na buso mu ntiche mu ntira ma buso na yesa. Israel, share the video. Brekusu for na me video with them. Brekusu for mu akontom. Brekusu mu chichichi munya munje. Because say wo auti brekusu ne sabi umbia untumi si wudan. Uja se anase bia uni baby obeko. Uko kwa benya, uko high dine. Free kwa benya if you committee ko, free committee ko no, uko high dine. Ti brekusu baby obetina ho beto. And now hide down you're talking about 50 million and over. 18 baby out now who told another be our team and I said 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom be a West CSC one. Nasa soon yesu ni wa obey the day. Mon can't tell me I'm officer going to Eddie. Bregusu fisa many fear better Bregusu. Say I see yare boni be Bregusu, me who be that. Yare boni be a Bregusu, yare boni pa aba Bregusu, minti be that. It's Israel. Me pamucho mo mayam bomo dia yem pia kro no nkwanim mo me pia kro no fa nkwanim sabio se member of parliament o breku so nya dia masa mo yi no to twene mo fo bi pensi ho. I'm telling you mo nya baako don't worry about the money they will give you. So woni mo a member of parliament unu sika etua no member of parliament unu sika etua no busumi Obobo the sika no 15,000 in a member of parliament bia, but I stand to be corrected. 15,000 at the man 150 million. And I said 150 10,000 whatever plus ekoso. Sa 10,000 plus na ekoso the man obusumi bia. So okasa skadi bomb crash 6 or 7 months crash otubu di sidan be. Now we see them and the busiafo and then the year no mu and then ma me ne papa no mu na wo wato akoma na onye hwe okro mu na wato na gusuto ma no na gusuto ma no munyi brekusu ni bi fancy ho brekusu ni oti brekusu munyi ni fancy ho no hunu de ekoso brekusu no mbo brekusu fo we need that help everything ne ekwa brekusu market kra menyi se market kra papa bi menyi di po se market po eso papa bi me bagana sabi ejanaya ye yusu no eno an ekusu su brekusu si aye be ka ho aminim I stand to be corrected, but this is the time that proactiveness kicks in. I was saying many brain I said many brain Israel why Israel na me Israel nyina yo aje nim boating mate next time no me the caption beto I put caption there. Why? Thank you. Aja wanim me pentem maswa e shit say yi e na ye bra be kasa na ye nhwe ajanim bra we kasa bra bisana me mfrɛ e minya brekusu fo mienu bia na miensa bia na nka enyina ya trasa to adwen because enyina enim ye ho edo ye ho soso edo ye ho pa edo ye ho damase nyame hira mu nyinaa meto nkyɛ ne mampanyifo nyinaa obrekusu ɛma ne mmɛma nyinaa obrekusu nkɔla nyinaa meto nsa de ɛma mu nyinaa obi ahwɛ ne ho yie ohu nokura aka ohu bɔne aka men dintro because wo penti ana mamenti endintro men fa bɔne so na bɔne one day eba beto wangasa wona so wangasa one day it's going to be you why onyame hwa no mpagyaw me dum besi ha ya enti obi opabia
Bato mbao. Wasa watu bitio.